Hey guys, welcome back to Cliffy's Kitchen. I must first express appreciation to all of you for the great support you showed for my last video. Today's video will be just as interesting. We'll be doing Escovitch fish to be served with BAMMY. So stay with us as we go it together. I'm sure you will like what you see. I've been soaking my fish for the last 3 hours or so in salt, vinegar and lemon juice. The reason for that is that it helps to cleanse the fish. When you're frying your fish, your place won't smell raw because it is cutting away most of the rawness that would permeate the air. I just want to demonstrate to you what is involved in really cleaning up your fish properly. For example, I would clip off all the fins with my kitchen scissors. Of course, this is a kitchen scissors. You do like this. Okay, and you come and you get this one off too. And over here, sometimes even when you're eating, these tend to be getting into the way, even pricking you. So you get them off from now. All right, and here's the last one. In that case, when you're eating your fish, it's nice to have without any bothering of it. Of course, you clip the tail to the right length of your fry pan. My fry pan is about 12 inches and this fish is about 11 inches, so it will sit properly and level in the pan. This is some of the things that we want to keep in mind for a nicely cleaned up fish. Here we have a combination of garlic powder, ground black pepper and salt, all put together in that dish, and that's all we need to season the fish. Fish doesn't take a lot of seasoning, so that small combination is all you need to give your fish a really good taste. So now for the application of our seasoning, guys. This is how it is done. Remember, everything is in this already, so you get some in these cuts here. These really enhance the flavor, and then you come on the inside and you give it a reasonable amount. Get it all the way down there, as you would say, every nook and cranny, so that you have a nicely seasoned fish. Black pepper, onion powder and salt, and you're good to go. I will do the same for the other side. Here are our BAMMYs. They've been soaking for the last half an hour in coconut milk, a whole tin of coconut milk, 16 ounces. If you notice, they start to raise because they've been sucked, the milk is being sucked up in them, and so that is really gonna make for a pleasant taste. We also add a little sugar and a little salt to the milk so that your BAMMY will be so nice when it's fried. We're going to fry our BAMMYs first. So first we're going to cut them in 4 equal pieces. Okay. That's it, now we're ready for the pot. I have canola oil in my fry pan and my stove is at the medium set, and that should be a right flame to fry your BAMMYs, so I'm gonna now put them in. We do not want to put too many pieces in at once. Reason being, you want space to turn them when it's time for them to be turned. And number 2, keep your flame at medium to lower, because heating them too quick can cause them not to soak through properly, although they have the color. So you want to be careful about that too. This is the end product of my fried BAMMY, guys, and aren't they looking good? Yes. Notice, they're crispy, the texture is just right. If you follow the suggestions I give, yours can be just as good. Remember that. Enjoying the video so far, guys? Please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, it's time to fry our fish now. First, I'm going to put 2 cloves of garlic in the oil. This will add added flavor to the fish. So we're putting in first one. Notice the sound. It tells us that the oil was really hot, and we really need that so that no sticking takes place. So guys, it's time to turn them now, and we know that because the edges are brown, which tells us that the right color is there. See? Really look nice. The fish is now finished frying. See how nice they look? It's now time to prepare the Escovitch sauce. It's time now for us to make our Escovitch sauce. So we are going to continue using our frying pan that we use for the fish and some leftover oil to saute what's going in next. For our Escovitch, we have carrot, onion, pimento, and scotch bonnet. We are now going to apply them in the pot and do some saute. This looks really good. Just getting a burst of flavor here. The scotch bonnet, the onion, really smells good. The next thing we're going to do is to add some vinegar to this to sort of complement the already nice flavor that we have. Okay, this is about 3 ounces of vinegar. So we're going to pour it in. Good. And we can take a little more flame, so we put it like at about 6, just a little above medium. You don't want it too high. Okay, so we're just gonna add a pinch of salt, not a lot, and we're gonna stir it in. It smells good, man, and it's looking good in the pot too. We do not want to overcook our onions, so in another minute and a half or 2 we'll be turning off this fire. Our fish is not considered Escovitch until this goes onto it. Just what I'm doing here. The final touches. Yeah. This is the kind of presentation you get when you go to Jamaica, Hellshire, Border, and other places. Really looks yummy, really looks good. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and send your comments in. I will take them in consideration for future videos.